Okay, so my very favorite thing in the whole wide world, you know what I'm going to give you, an index card. So if you read the blog post, I called it Relationship RX, like, like a prescription. Yeah. To heal certain relationships. Now, of course, I can never guarantee what other people are going to do. So don't be like, well, Deb said you have to be nice to me now. No, we're not going to do that. We're just going to deal with ourselves. Okay. That's it. So the first one I had was repairing your relationship to Mother Nature. Okay. The second one was repairing your relationship to others. The third is repair your relationship to your environment, like your space, your home, that kind of thing. The fourth one is repair your relationship to your current circumstances, which is what I was talking about before, accepting what's going on. And the last one was repair your relationship to yourself. So what I want you to do when you go home, not now, because we don't have a lot of time to do this, but I want you to pick one. Now, this is not one and forever. That's it. I only get one. No. Get one now so you can focus on only that one. Because if you give all your attention and all your energy to the one thing, it's going to produce way better results than, well, I'll give 2 minutes to this and 2 minutes to that. I've done that. It doesn't work. And it's so frustrating. So pick one thing and say, oh, I should have picked something else. No, you're fine. Just, they're all good. You can't lose. They're all good. Okay. And it's all going to help you in other areas of your life. Like if you want to go out and connect with Mother Nature, start going to the beach, take a walk in the forest, just go outside, take deep breaths. That's going to help you. It's going to help your health. It's going to make you in a better mood so your relationships get better. So no matter what it is you choose, it's the right choice. Okay, so choose one. And then when you start feeling good, I just had deja vu. I don't know why, it was so weird when you did that. And so it's all going to be good. And as you're going along, you're going to see that you're feeling better. And then maybe you want to add another one. That's fine. But don't be like, well, a week's gone by, I'm going to add another one. It takes you longer than a week to get these things going. So what I did was I wrote a specific affirmation for each one. That's what the index card is for. So write it down when you go home and leave it by your bedside. Okay, because I want you to do it. Main time to do it right before you fall asleep, not like read it and then read a book or watch TV. Like just as you're drifting off to sleep, read it, and then first thing in the morning before you do anything else, before you start, that's why I gave you the index card, because once you put your phone on, that light comes on and you're like, and your brain gets so excited. I wonder if I got any messages. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to do this first. Okay. First. And then throughout the day, whatever. But then I made these little condensed versions of, little affirmation cards, so that this way you can have these, you can download them and put them on your phone. And that'll be your reminder. Oh yeah, I picked nature. I picked this one, whatever it is. Remember, there's no wrong choice. Okay. And there's no rush. You take your time. And if you only want to do this one thing for the rest of your life, then you go ahead and do that. There are no limits. There's no time limits. You're not going to be quizzed on this. This is you deciding how you want to feel, and whatever thing makes you the happiest, like if your home's a wreck, pick that one, and then just say, I'm just going to focus on getting my house in order. I'm going to bring in some flowers. I'm going to fluff up my pillows and, whatever, open all the windows, whatever it is that you feel inspired to do. But the main thing is to repeat the affirmation. And they're a little bit long, but it's because I wanted to bring in like a lot of different aspects, so that this way you can focus on the one thing. And then we're training our brains. Our brains are lazy, and our brains don't like change. So we got to be sneaky people, sneaky. So baby steps, a little bit at a time, every single day. Because then your brain's going to be like, well, I just give up because she keeps saying it, so it must be true. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to trick our brains into believing this. So just practice the affirmation. We have to. And by repeating the affirmation, you're going to see things in your life are going to start to change. You're maybe going to feel a little motivated to do whatever it is to do, or, maybe speak differently to, the people that you're having conflict with, whatever it is. But it's all going to be good. Remember, there's no wrong answer. So please don't, I never give you, never give you an assignment to stress you out. Never. Because some people are like, I don't know what to pick. Pick one. Just say 1 through 5. Pick a number. And then whatever that number is, that'll be it. Flip a coin. Whatever it is. Yeah. Because eventually, we've got a few years left in us. So eventually we'll get to all of them and it'll be good. So don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. So remember, make this fun, make it easy, and just write it down. Also, I don't know, I find the written word very powerful. Like when I type something, it's good because I can go faster. But when I write it down, something about having that blank sheet of paper and then putting ink onto it and putting words and thoughts and, actions you want to take. It's just something very powerful. And then seeing your own handwriting when you're reading it back to yourself.